Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. I just finished working on this 5-color shirt that I'm super excited. It's nice and smooth. It's a lot of fun, and I am confident that it is going to stay attached and beautiful for many, many washes. Unfortunately, this was not the case from the first couple of shirts I did. When I first started out, I didn't realize the importance of using the heat settings that the manufacturer recommends, not just kind of what a lot of people will recommend, on Facebook and other places. So I used the Cricut Heat Guide when working with Caesar Easy Weed, and it didn't work well. I still have this shirt and I still wear it occasionally, but it's been peeling for quite a while. So today I want to share a couple of resources I have found that I absolutely love that kind of walk you through so you know you're using the correct settings to get the best results possible. So stick around and let's go over those. So in order to properly set my Easy Press, I need to know the time and temperature I need, as well as the pressure. And to get that information, I want to look at what the manufacturer recommends, not just what normally works for different vinyls, because different vinyls do need different settings. So I buy a lot of my vinyl from 143 Vinyl. And the tools you've seen me use, a lot of those are from here as well. So I'm here on their website. I'm going to more and learn, and then 143 Vinyl resource documents. So I'm going to click on that. And they have the material cutter and press settings and the layering guide. So we're going to open this up and download it. I'm actually downloading a new one because they've updated it since the last time I've downloaded it. So I'm going to scroll down to heat transfer vinyl. And since most of what I'm using is the StarCraft Soft Flex, I'm going to come and look at my pressing time, temperature and time, and my pressure level and what kind of peel. So it's 285 degrees for 8 to 10 seconds, medium to firm pressure with a warm peel. And now we're also, while we're here, going to look at the Caesar holographic, which is 320 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds with medium pressure and a cold peel. So what I'm going to do is kind of look at my layers and see what one makes the most sense to put on first for that one. I'm also going to download this so it's on my computer as well. But I'm going to go back and just double check on the layering guide. Going down into heat transfer vinyl, and for Caesar, I'm looking for the holographic. It can't be the bottom layer, it can be the top layer. StarCraft Soft Flex, it can be top and bottom layers. You don't want too many layers on top of each other, so keep an eye on that when you're kind of looking for things. I hope these resources were helpful, and I encourage you to go to 143vinyl.com, which I've linked below, to check out these and other resources. And until next time, bye.